YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to a new tutorial. Before I get started, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. Now to begin the haircut, I'm going to section off the top because I won't be removing any length. And now with my trimmer, I'll begin to set in my first bald guideline. It's going to be a drop fade, so I'm going to add that little drop at the back. Using the same trimmer, you're going to begin to remove all the hair that you don't need at the very bottom. Now with the lever open on my magic clips, I'm going to begin to go up about 1/2 inch, following that same line we created with that trimmer. Also, if you enjoy the beat, my boy T made it. I'm going to add him to the description down below. Now to get rid of that bottom line we just created, all you're going to do is close your lever and flick that line out. As you just saw right there, I opened up the lever a little bit, and that's because the line wasn't coming out. So all you got to do is just adjust your lever until you see that line coming out. Now right here, I decided to debulk a little more on the top just so I can have a neater canvas. And as you can see, I'm following the same shape as the drop fade that we're doing. Not going straight across just because I'm debulking. I'm always keeping it as neat as I can. Now to begin the fade again, I'm going to get on my 1 and I'm going to close the lever and I'm going to go up about 1/2 inch. Now when you're done doing that, just open up your lever and go right above that with a flick out motion, going up about 1/2 inch as well. Now to get rid of that very bottom line we just made, we're going to get our 1/2 guard and we're going to close it all the way and we're going to flick it out. using the 1 guard on my fast feeds, which would be a 1.5 on the Wahl system, I'm going to begin to go up about 1/2 inch right above the 1 open with a flick out motion as well. So now to prep up the lineup part, we're going to bring down all his baby hairs. Now with the 2 guard, we're going to begin to knock down any long hairs that we see, just to make the lineup part easier. Now we're going to begin the lineup, working my way all the way across. Now I'm going to just add a little enhancements, not too dark, as you can see right there, blends in nicely. Now I'm going to hit it with the razor. This is just to remove any little hairs that the trimmer couldn't get out. Also remember to always stretch the skin when you're using a razor to prevent any cuts. So this is how my boy came in looking like. And this is the cut. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe down below. Also leave a comment, let me know how I did. Thanks for watching. Peace.